It's drink time! This is the bar at the very back of the ship, near the aft pool. It is a hub of activity during the day. On a sea day, you're lucky if you can get a spot, but it was a port day, so we have plenty of seating here. You get to watch the bartenders make your drinks. They do such an excellent job. They can make any drink you want. They do it with a smile. They're always so friendly, and I've learned some pretty neat tricks from them. They're gonna make our famous Funship along with a Margarita for Tony. Sometimes I'll mix it up and get a Bahama Mama. But Funships are definitely my favorite. Rummy and fruity.
Okay, you guys make better drinks here than they do there.
If you have the drinks package, you can get up to 15 alcoholic drinks a day. If you don't have the drink package, you just get them a la carte. That's an option too. Add the finishing touches. Line for the margarita.
Thank you.
Oh, no cherry for me. We are here on the back of the Lido deck on the Carnival Firenze at a port day. We are just going to hang out on the ship today and have our favorite drink, which is the Funship, which has always just been tradition. They sometimes now call it a rum drink. It'll always be a Funship to me. What is your favorite drink on board? What do you like to treat yourself with while you're sailing? Let us know in the comments below. The Amari Bar, which is only found on the two Italian ships, the Firenze and the Venezia. Otherwise, would be the location where the Alchemy Bar is, and they're very similar. You can see they're wearing the white coats. But this is where the show bartenders are, and they make some tasty, tasty drinks. They have a pretty expansive menu of all the drinks that they have, but if you ask nicely, they will make you a specialty drink.
That's how he gets his drink.
This is Cornelius and Olivia making all the fun drinks for everyone today. The amount of ingredients that they have to work with is astonishing. There's so many different specialty powders and herbs. There's some that have sprigs of rosemary on them, different specialty liqueurs, syrups, glitter. It's really a fun place to just sit and watch the bartenders do their job.
There you go. It is.
Tony has called this the best margarita he's ever had, thanks to Cornelius.
Yes.
Yeah, one of the bartenders, he just got like 1 month ago. And that's all. But since then, he posts on Facebook everything. Like, stop. I like it. I like it.
And definitely the best margarita I've had so far. Thanks to Cornelius at the Amari Bar. How's your drink?
Cornelius made a special drink for me. I don't know what it was called. He didn't name it. He just made it. It's
good.
Rummy and coconutty and fruity. It's not a Funship. It didn't really taste like a Funship, but it was very good nonetheless. But Tony definitely got a couple of those margaritas. And they still talk. We first met Cornelius about 11 years ago on the Carnival Sunshine. And it was so fun to be able to see him again. We've seen him on the Jubilee and now the Firenze. It's definitely worth visiting. This is the Carnival shop on board. This has the Carnival-branded items. You get Captain's Bears, Funship Freddies, the little ships, ears, anything that you want that is branded Carnival, they have it here. Shirts, sweatshirts, hats, tank tops, shot glasses, magnets. You can get gifts for your family, gifts for friends, or you can pick up something for yourself. Lanyards, you name it, it's here. Everything with a Carnival logo. If you don't want it to have a Carnival logo, this isn't where you should shop. But if you're looking for that specific Carnival logo item to add to your collection or just as a reminder of what an amazing time you had, this is a great place to pick up your souvenirs and your presents. They even have little luggage bags in case you overbought and you need some more space in your luggage. They have bags and tote bags that you can use to carry your items as well if they don't fit in your suitcases. They're always thinking. Casino time! This is one of those games of chance. Try to get the ball with all the money in it. But there's plenty of traditional casino games as well. Lots of different slot machines with different denominations. And you can pay for all of it with your sign-in sale card. You don't need to have cash. The machine, you just put your card in and you can transfer money from your onboard bank into the machine. And you can play and have a great time, and it will keep track of your points. Some people really like to gamble, and apparently you can earn enough points to win free cruises. I haven't gotten that far yet. I just like to have fun. I have a very small budget on my gambling, but it's fun to go in and hang out, and they will bring you drinks around, but it's not like Vegas. You do have to pay for your drinks. Unless you do gamble a lot, and then you can be earning free drinks on board, free drinks while you're in the casino. Each cruise line has their own policy or players club that they use. So check with your cruise line and see what offers they have and what are the points that you need to get those. They're all a little bit different. But so many different games to choose from. As well as there's table games, craps, blackjack, and even a non-smoking casino. It's a much smaller casino, but there's no smoking, so the air is clean. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to get more cruise content.